Hi, this is Cammi TV. I'm Cammi, and today I'm here with
Joel,
Jaylen,
my brothers.
Yay!
Yeah.
So what do we got today, guys?
A moose mystery box.
I don't know what any of these are.
What's in the box? Do. What's in the box?
What's that from?
I don't know.
So, you guys want to get opening?
Yes. Shall we do it?
Yeah,
Scissors,
go
do
ahead.
it.
You're the one with the scissors.
I know. One.
At the end, there's a surprise for all of you.
There is.
Can you get?
Why are
having
these
trouble?
scissors so
You having trouble?
stupid? Okay, here we go.
Need help?
Nope. We're good.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Should I send help?
Nope.
Why'd you put a cross?
I did that.
Oh. A cross.
Yeah, these have my name. That has my name. I have ownership. Okay, I have ownership over them. They have my name.
Jaylen, that's what I'm doing. You might want to speed this up. It's gonna take a while. Could I just brute force and just rip open the box?
I don't think our friends at Moose
Why did
would
it
really
open?
like that.
Yes. My fingers are like knives. Not really, but I mean.
Okay, give me the box.
No, give me that.
I'm the professional. Oh, Joe got it! Hallelujah!
Are you the slowest opening boxes?
Oh, there's stuff in here. I feel like it's
Yeah,
spiders.
it's a box. It's meant to have stuff in it.
One more cut.
Me and him would joke when we first got this. What if there's something alive in here?
Oh.
Okay.
OMG.
They would have been dead.
OMG Pets. Enclosed, please find your requested package from Moose Toys. Little LIve Pets' newest collection, Little LIve OMG Pets. You are among the first to receive a sample before Little LIve Pets roll onto the store shelves.
They probably already are.
In July.
It took a long time for you to open this.
Little LIve OMG Pets have a soft feel, over 50 sounds and reactions, and unique style aesthetics for fun. Tactile play. These life-like puppies come in 6 beloved breeds to collect: Poodle, Frenchie, Beagle, German, Shepherd, Husky, and Labrador. Look forward to seeing your video with the Little LIve OMG Pets, your friends at Moose Toys. Okay. I want to see a Frenchie, a Beagle. I want to see any of these dogs.
Ready?
Mainly a Husky. Hey. Show the camera.
Yeah, Papa already did.
I want to touch it.
Oh! It's a Beagle, I think.
It's now out.
It's a Beagle!
It
Is there
is.
anything else in there?
Yeah, there is. It came with a basket.
This is the beagle.
Oh, I love a puppy.
Oh!
Oh, you got all of them?
No, I got...
Two.
Oh, that was adorable.
Yeah, I think we got everything. Whoa!
So, on the box,
Okay, yeah, put this on the floor.
15 plus sounds and reactions. It says they're squishy, soft,
Feel it.
and that the bottle magically reveals the gender, so a boy or a girl.
Feel it.
It is soft. Oh my god.
Feel it.
Oh,
What?
the back's hard.
I said, oh my
Oh,
gosh,
it's a
and so,
turn.
oh my gosh, pet.
There's an on or off button right there.
Oh.
Me with
Hold
the
on.
bottle,
It's
and
supposed to have
it
sounds, I
makes
guess?
sounds.
This is a German Shepherd.
Yes, you feed it. Press turn
Yeah.
it on.
Turn on.
Put batteries in it, or is it not sold separately? One of those.
You want to open this one too?
I turned it on. Yeah.
Jesus, it scared me.
What is it?
So this is
boy
a-
or girl?
Girl and slip noises.
I think it's a girl because the bottle's pink.
The bottle's pink? No, you gotta like use it on their mouth. Actually, I don't know. Maybe I might have to put it in water. Wait.
Maybe we do. Oh, there's a little blue on it.
Close to your microphone so they can hear the puppy.
Okay, hold on.
Yes, there it is. Oh no! Oh, it's so soft.
There's a beagle.
Wait.
It has a little blue on it.
It's bright.
Look, Cammi.
It's a boy.
You could get the birth certificate.
Oh yeah.
It's a boy.
The puppy's name, date of birth, and the promise.
The bottle changes color.
Yeah, to determine the gender.
Yes,
We got
maybe
a
it's like
boy.
maybe it's like
Is
heat.
it blue or pink?
It's a blue. Hold on.
Blue's a boy, pink is a girl.
It starts off as a magenta, and then the other color determines it.
So blue.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
That's cool.
it's so adorable. Oh.
I'll also have
Cammi.
blue fit.
Okay.
Read that.
Yeah.
It's
'Kay.
the puppy's birth certificate. So you fill
Puppy's
it out.
name, put that out. Date of birth, we do that. My promise, my name. Promise to always love and care for my puppy. Give them millions of squishy, heartfelt cuddles. Feed and play with them and provide a warm and happy home. It's adorable.
Cool.
Scissors. Some of the scissors. Yeah, you get to be in there with your bottle. Hold on. Gonna put the bottle around you.
Scissors are like my millionaire.
Mjolnir.
Say it.
Mjolnir. Stormbreaker.
Oh.
Captain America.
Okay.
Age.
Wait. I got it. I want to do this one.
I think this is a boy too. Hold on.
Wait, how does it go in their mouth? Oh, that's a very thin layer of plastic. Oh, it's okay. You spoiled it. It's important. Yeah, so it's heat related.
Put it by the microphone so you can hear.
Oh, you didn't turn it off.
Okay.
Turn so we can see him.
Yeah, turn.
Oh.
Can I see? Can I get to see?
Does it?
They're adorable. So they have like 50 sounds, it said.
So what is it? It's a boy?
Wait, do you
Yeah,
pet
they're
it?
both
Like,
boys.
If you pet it, does it like do
Cammi.
something?
So it's, I guess it's reaction to like
Touch its stomach.
petting and stuff.
That's what I'm doing.
It's like rub it.
Yeah.
Be nice. Be gentle.
So I guess tapping it makes it.
Just make it
I
happy.
guess it's just like touching.
My goodness.
Yeah, active.
Oh, they're both whining. Here's your bottle.
It's really cool. Look, really cute.
So I think this is German Shepherd right here.
Yeah.
This is a beagle.
Wait.
Ooh, this one's even softer.
No.
Put both in the basket.
I know. Hold on, I'm putting its bottle around its neck. This one's even softer than the other one.
Yeah, it's the bottle in warm water, so it's heat activated. It does need batteries, but it has.
It has batteries.
It needs 3 button cells AG13.
What?
I don't know what that means.
Just a little tiny
5
batteries.
volts. Yeah.
Little watch battery.
Feeding. Your puppy loves to be fed. To feed your puppy, place the bottle in his mouth and gently push. Remove the bottle, and your puppy will sound satisfied.
Oh wait, you
Petting.
probably can fall asleep.
Jay,
I want to read.
I wanted to read first.
You can
Your
fall
puppy loves to be pet. Pet the area directly on top of on top of your puppy's head, and it will make content sounds. That's what it's saying.
trying to make it go to bed.
Your puppy loves attention. When you
It fell asleep.
When you leave your puppy
Oh, yeah, they
alone,
do fall
it will
asleep.
occasionally cry out to be fed. If you do nothing, your puppy will fall asleep within a few minutes. You can wake it up anytime by feeding or switching it off and then back on.
That's so rude. You don't feed it at all, and then it just turns off, and then you're like, no, starve.
Because it's a real thing. You gotta get
Yeah,
ready for
15
the
different
real
sounds.
thing. If you can't take care of a digital pet, you can't take care of the real thing.
So what do you think?
I love it. They're
cool.
adorable.
Honestly.
They're so small and squishy. Wah! Okay, I don't. Oh, we have to name them.
They are very squishy.
They're both boys. What should we name them?
I don't know. This one. I don't know.
How about Bob Hope?
No.
Yes.
No.
Bubbo.
Never.
Then let's name him Scout.
Okay, we can name him Scout, and then let's name him
Bronny.
Fido.
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 What's that?
Okay.
What's
Yeah.
that book? I read a book and it had a beagle in it.
Here, let's put some of this stuff in it, so it's soft.
Oh, I can't reach that far back.
What did I ever do? Oh, jeez.
Stuff feels nice. But it's flaky paper. Flaky feels good.
Just paper that was. Oh no, that's.
Put them in
In
now.
the box.
Oh, that
No, the
actually
box is
looks
mine.
cool. Feel them. That one's very like.
Alright.
It feels like. I don't know. And then feel this one. This one's more like just rubber.
Okay,
But this one's very nice.
I need you guys.
They don't stand up.
I need you guys to hold the mic for me for a second. I'm going. This is long enough, actually.
That was disgusting. It just fell off.
What are you doing?
They'll see.
Did the
Tell us what
microphone
you're
fall
doing.
off? Is the microphone
I can't
on
tell
the
'em.
ground?
No.
Oh, it's not.
Special surprise.
Oh.
Don't want to eat the paper.
This is my new hamster waffles. We've had them for how long now?
A week?
Like a week or two.
Oh, let me touch.
And it's just been
He's a fluffy baby.
very heavy.
He's calm, but then he's also a rascal. Come over here, we
Very
don't.
heavy baby.
He's a very heavy.
Puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey baby.
Look at waffles. I'm so happy this was animal based. We could fit waffles in here. We didn't even know it was waffles. No, we're not putting my baby in a box. Yeah,
Oh,
come on.
cute.
I know.
Could be clickbait.
It's a boy.
Blue
Okay.
Santas are real.
I'm not gonna be opening the box after we go.
Alright, so that was your surprise, huh?
Yeah!
The other box is the real animal.
That's what people do.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Cammi. Make sure to like and subscribe to Cammi TV.
And buy her merch.
And buy my merch.
CammiTV.com.
And also,
And buy my food.
another thing in the progress, we might bring the P.O. back. The P.O. box back.
P.O. box?
We might bring it back.
You might.
This way.
So don't spell it with a Y, C-A-M-M-I.